Okay guys, for today's craft, you're going to need some kind of a sign that's a little bit thick because we're going to have to drill holes in it. You're also going to need some of these alligator clips that are on, they're on braided wire. I got them at Amazon. I got a whole package. I'll put the link. You're going to need some beads and some glue of your choice and a drill. So that's all we're going to need for this project. And by the way, how do you like my hair comb? I love it. Love it, love it. Plan to make more in different colors, just haven't gotten to it. But anyway, here we go. Let's get started. Okay, my sign is 6 inches long. Whoops, I better do it on the right side. It says life is short. Dance in the kitchen on one side. The other side says life is short, lick the bowl. So it could be flipped around. I'm thinking you could put a picture on each side, and when you flip your sign around, it'll show other pictures. Anyway, it's 6 inches long, so I'm going to mark the middle. And then I'm going to go 2 inches out. And then I'm going to take my drill. I've got a decent sized bit on it so that I won't have to force it in there. It's bigger than what I need. Tiny. Well, actually, it's about the right size. About the same size. But I'm going to put glue in the hole after I drill it. I'm going to put the outside hole on an angle. This one straight down. Perfect. Okay, now, so we're just going to string some beads to decorate our little thingamajiggy, because we don't want to just put it on there plain. I've already done 2, and I've laid out my beads. I know y'all don't want to watch all day while I dig through beads, so I'm just going to do one on camera. Now I was thinking I wanted to show you that I'm making mine kind of plain, although I've added one color, one on each stem. But I had toyed with the idea of putting one of these so that you could hang a charm. And I thought, since it's talking about dancing, you could put that on there and hang a musical note. Put a little chain down and then hang that musical note. Is an idea, but it depends on what your sign is about. Your sign may have nothing to do with music or dancing. So, and I also wanted to say that I'm working on my store at Buy Me a Coffee, so that people don't have to just donate. They could go and buy something. And I think I'm going to start selling my crafts. I have a lot of crafts here that I've made, and I've just never done anything with signs and so forth. But I think this is going to be the first item on camera that I'm going to put in my Buy Me a Coffee store. And this is a little bit heavy, so I will have to charge enough to cover the shipping. I wish I could just give everything away for $5, but the post office is out of control, which is actually killing online sales, for me especially. Well, not just me, but anyway, we're competing with China, who's offering free shipping on everything, so they have some kind of a deal with the post office that we small businesses do not. Oh, my air fryer going off. I'm using super glue gel, so I'm just putting it along the post, but I'm also going to put some on my last bead because it's going to touch the wood and that's going to keep it secure. I put a little bit in the hole. Hold on to your beads and push it in. I'm loving this super glue gel. It's my new favorite glue. It dries quick. I like E6000 for some things, but it doesn't dry quick and it doesn't always hold firm. So this is my new favorite. And here we have it. Now be sure you turn your clips, which I did not do. Make sure you turn them so that they're coming to the front. You don't want your picture sticking off to the side. Or maybe you do. So this is how it comes out. Peekaboo. There you have it. I'm going to work on setting up my Buy Me a Coffee store today, and this will be my first item in there. I'm also going to list some things that I have, like the mermaid sign that I made on camera. I've displayed it for a long time. I'm ready to let it go. Someone else can display it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I ended up adding one bead in each corner on each side.